beauties, welcome back. What is going on? Today I am bringing you another Halloween tutorial. I kind of want to call it like a black potion because I got some green with some black and some mossy greens and stuff like that going on. But when I was ultimately finished with this look, I kind of got like Beetlejuice vibes without the white stripes and stuff like that. So if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe and like this video if you are enjoying my Halloween videos this month. Today I'm going to be working with the Boss Mood palette, which is the 35M by Morphe. And then I've got a little bit of green. You really can't see it. I used the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Longwear Liquid Aligner in the color Kush. So it's pretty vibrant, but I didn't want to go too crazy with it. So let's get into the tutorial. Alright beauties, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to use the Boss Mood 35M by Morphe. That's the one that looks like a pure Halloween madness. This one, love it. It's going to be a fairly like sort of quick tutorial. Yes, I'm still working without my contacts, so bear with me, it's gonna be a while. I'm literally gonna use like two shadows in this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use Black Magic, which is the black on the bottom, and then I'm going to use Nude Tude and maybe a little bit of Green with Envy, which is these two like beautiful mossy green olive tones right there. That's what we're gonna work with. I did this look last year, but I never did a tutorial on it. I was just playing with makeup and it came out. I have a picture of it, so I want to recreate it for you guys. It's a Halloween look, fun. I technically don't use black except like in my outer V part, just to give my looks, you know, some smokiness, some depth, that sort of thing. But I was like, you know what, I really want to use black. I really do not want to be afraid of black because I feel like a lot of us are afraid to use black, and it's just the amounts that you put on at a time. But with this look, my base and everything is literally going to be black, and then I'm just gonna smoke it out with the moss and then add some green stuff later on with this like liquid Urban Decay like color, green color type of thing on my eye. You'll see it, but whatever. So we're just gonna have fun with some eyeshadows. I don't want this tutorial to be super long. I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox eye primer. You guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, every time I try another eye primer, it just does not work out for me, and I always end up going back to my Smashbox eye primer. It's never done me wrong. It does not let my eyeshadow crease. It has never given me any situations or issues with putting eyeshadow on my eyes or having like the eyeshadow grip to one spot. Like, I've never had any issues with this eye primer before, and if it's not broke, don't try to fix it, right? So I am going to take this BH7 brush. It's from like the turquoise set. I've had these brushes for a while. I technically don't use them, but today I'm gonna be like really playing with packed flat brushes because I want this look to be precise. And like last time, I took my eyeshadow up too high. I didn't want to take it that high, so this one I really don't want to take it that high. So my base is ready to go, and then I'm gonna get some Black Magic on it, and I'm just gonna go in. Yes, we are getting up and close and personal today. I'm filming this on a flat background for you guys, so it does not go out of focus and we don't have any issues. See, with this, I don't have to be afraid to like go in a little at a time with the black, because my black is everything on with this look. It is my base, it is the main color, it is everything. So I just want to pack the black everywhere and then just bring it up a little bit, but be like super precise, because I only want to bring it up to about right here, to where I have my eye open. You can sort of see it, but enough for me to blend out and just smoke it out where I don't take it too high with the olive greens. I'm really enjoying using this palette this month, and I'm trying to get more use out of my eyeshadow palettes because I don't use them enough. And now being like not going anywhere, or if you go somewhere you have to wear a mask, it's a little hard to be able to do what you want to do when it comes to makeup. If you don't have your makeup set right, it'll come off on your mask. And I have seen though, just like some of my friends only do their eyes, which is genius, and not do the rest of their face, because you have a mask on, you can only see really the eyes. So I'm like squinting because the light is a lot for my eyes. I have really sensitive eyes, and then I also have a lazy eye, which I hate. You can't see it with contact lenses or glasses on, but without them you can see it, and it's really bad. So super transparent with you guys, it is one of my insecurities and I hate it. So I am not looking into the camera. Plus the lighting for my eyes, like even my eye doctor told me, she's like, you have like super sensitive eyes. Like it's really hard when I have to go and get an eye exam. My doctor always has trouble trying to get this eye to get tested because my eyes are just super sensitive, and I like right away, if I have light way too much in my eyes or directly in my eyes just start to water and they literally just shut down. So I'm getting this black like super duper like packed in there, and I'm making sure that it's like right above when I close my eyes, enough to where I can. I'm just gonna lift my eyes and start blowing it out a little bit with this brush, but then I'm gonna use another brush. Literally, you guys, like 2-3 eyeshadows, all about the blending on this one, and literally 2 brushes that I'm using. I have an extra packing brush, but it's literally this brush that I'm using and a Morphe brush. You guys, there's so many new releases coming out and I can't buy anything. So I have it to where I want it. I'm gonna take my Morphe, I call it like candy apple set, because these don't have numbers on it, but it looks like this. And then I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna dab it into Nude, which is this one right here. And then I'm gonna smoke out all of this right here with that color. Start on the edges and just blow it out. Work that in. We can always go back and make the black deeper. This part right here is literally all about the blending, so you don't have that harsh line of just black chilling there. So from here on out, you just blend your life away. This look is fairly easy. I'm probably gonna do purple inner corner. I don't know what foundation I'm gonna use today. Well, whatever's in my bucket for the next 2 months is what I'm using. I am cheating a little bit, you guys, because everything that's in my bucket for this month and next month, I'm not taking any of that with me on my trip. I literally have all different other palettes that I'm taking, and it's all completely different. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to film what I'm taking with me on my trip, and I could just do like a quick video and show you guys what I'm taking with me and just share that with you guys. All this is coming out exactly the way I wanted. It's more on like the brown side because of the black, which is fine. I just don't want there to be like any harshness with the black. And I've noticed that, like, you know, we're all still learning, and there's something to learn every day when it comes to makeup, new techniques, whatever the case may be. But I'm figuring out that for myself, instead of going like the normal way that a lot of people do, where they put the base and then they go from like lightest to darkest, sometimes even as much as I blend out, I always still have harsh lines, and sometimes I say to myself, I still have a lot to learn, like we all do. It's okay, you know, we all go at our own pace. But I noticed that this way, my smokiness and my harshness blends out so much better than me doing it the other way. So I like it this way. You just gotta find out what works for you and keep going. All right, so that's basically where I want it. It's fairly easy, as you can see. Let me see if I can just lighten it up a little bit, maybe with this sort of chartreusey color. Is called Express Yourself, and it's this one right here. let me see what that does. I'm just gonna play with some color here because I did want the green to pop up a bit more. But if it doesn't because of the black, it's okay. The black is just basically taking over. That didn't make any difference, but it's okay, you guys, because it is coming out the way I envisioned it, just with less green. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it. I am going to add some green liquid liner, like I mentioned, and I will be right back with a full face. All right, you guys, so this is the final look I'm gonna show you. So I just went ahead and used the Urban Decay little dots on the side, used some purple inner corner. I will tell you really quick the colors that I ultimately used all over my face. I did use for inner corner, I used the colors Daredevil and Grape Expectations, which is these two purples right here for my inner corner. So for my highlighter on the side of my face, I kept it on the grungy green side, so I used Bold Moves and Electric Energy, which is these two right here. And then for my lip, I used Ofra. I think it's like called Miami Heat or something. It was the color that they bought out with Kathleen Lights. And again, I used the Urban Decay liquid razor sharp eyeliner in the color Kush for the little green dots on the side, and then I used KKW mascara. So that is my finished look, you guys. I really like the way it came out. I thought it was simple, easy, fun, not too hard, not too complicated. You can totally do this at home with any type of, you know, black eyeshadow that you have, any green mossy type of colors, pop in any type of inner corner color that you love, and just make it fun, you guys. It's Halloween, let's have fun with makeup. So yeah, this is my final look and I really like it. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you are enjoying this month of Halloween tutorials. I love you guys. Be safe, stay kind, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.